Most people don't make Medicare mistakes because they're careless. They make them because Medicare is confusing, by design. A booklet arrives in the mail, a few letters, a few deadlines, a few choices that sound simple. And suddenly, the decisions you make at 65 can affect your health care and your money for the rest of your life. That's where this channel comes in. Welcome to Medicare Made Easy. Here, we break down Medicare slowly, clearly, and without pressure using the official Medicare booklet. Real examples in plain language. No sales, no scare tactics. No insurance pitches, just clear explanations of what Medicare really is, when to enroll, what each part covers, what it actually costs, and how to avoid the mistakes that trap most. Seniors, we explain the rules before the penalties, the deadlines before the stress, and the pages most people never read, but should. If you're new to Medicare, it's helping a parent, or already enrolled and still confused, you're in the right place. Download the booklet. Watch along. Take back control of your healthcare decisions. Subscribe to Medicare Made Easy because understanding Medicare shouldn't feel like a guessing game.